During the holidays, the kitchen fills with recipes that return every year, like this one, cola de mono. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. Take a screenshot, you might need it for later. In your pot, add 1 liter of milk, half a cup Fe brown sugar, a generous cinnamon stick, orange peel, cloves, nutmeg, and a splash of vanilla. Let it warm. Turn off the heat. Stir in Fe sweet condensed milk until silky. Mix well and add 2 tablespoons of coffee because cola de mono always carries that deep, comforting note. Let it cool a bit. Strain it well, no spices, no little pieces. And once it's no longer steaming, add 1 cup of your favorite spirit, aguardiente, pisco, or even rum. Choose the one that reminds you of home. Mix, bottle, chill. Serve ice cold. With fresh fruit, holiday bread, and the people who fill your table with laughter. Because in every sip, there's tradition, there's comfort, there's the feeling of coming home. Cola de mono with Fe, because Fe tastes like home.